Hello student, in this lecture we will discuss third type of account, that is nominal account. Previously we have seen that two types of account, personal account and real account. So let us start third type of account, nominal account. Nominal account include main two types of account of expenses and accounts of incomes. To conducting the business, businessmen incur day-to-day expenses, and such expenses are known as revenue expenses. So all revenue expenses are included in the group of nominal account. Let us start one by one. Nominal account, account of expenses. First is wages account. Wages means labor, amount payable to worker. So this is revenue expense. So nominal account. Carriage means fare, right? Sometimes businessmen carry goods from one place to another place. For this purpose, businessmen pay carriage. It is an expense. Postage expense, stationery purchase, accounting books purchase, right? Pen, pencil, eraser, etc. Stationery item purchase, it is expense. Salary paid to employee, nominal account. Rent is an expense. Rates and taxes. Students, businessmen pay some rate and taxes to government, right? To Nagarpalika, to municipal city. It is an expense. Depreciation is a non-cash expense. It is also an expense. Machine repairing expense. Machine repairing expense is a nominal account, repairing expense. Discount allowed to customer is a expense, nominal. Insurance premium, here businessmen take insurance for business assets for which insurance premium pay annually. It is revenue expense. Advertisement expense incurred, right? Sometimes businessmen give advertisement to newspaper or television, so it is nominal account expense. Bank charge some expenses, right? Bank charges. Donation given to someone, right? Donation given, charity, it is nominal account. Bad debt, sometimes customer declare insolvent and some amount forego or waive, not receive, written off. This written off amount is a bad debt. It is a loss. It is an expense, nominal account. Commission is an expense. Interest charges, right? Sometimes businessmen pay some interest charges. Railway freight, when goods transport from one place to another place through railway company, so railway freight is paid. It is an expense. Octroi is a state government tax, so state government charge some octroi. It is an expense. So they are example of expense. Loss by fire and loss by theft, right? Sometimes loss in fire occurred in the business, so in that case loss of goods, loss of other assets. Sometimes goods stolen away, assets stolen away, it is a loss. So they are nominal account. Now other account also included in nominal account of incomes, right? Businessmen earn some income every day or regularly. Such income include interest received, nominal, discount received, commission received, brokerage received, dividend received, rent received. So you can see that one common word used in case of income, receive word. So they are incomes, nominal account. Bad debt return, it is also income, right? Sometimes bad debt written off in past year, now we cover back. Return, it is income, nominal account. Interest on investment, right? Businessmen earn some interest income on investment. Apprentice premium means what? So sometimes a candidate come into the business for training purpose, and in that case businessmen charge some fee or premium from candidate, and such income is a business income. It is called apprentice premium. Interest on drawing is an income for business, so it is also nominal account. So I understand they are example of nominal accounts. Okay, thank you.